I'm corroborating what I said before, Arnab. Arnab, if you just listen, you'll get to know that I'm not contradicting myself. You are not listening to me.
You know, you just need to say I'm for or I'm against. Are you for?
Will back any effort, any inquiry, any investigation, any prosecution that gets to the bottom of whatever happened in 1984, which was, by the way, deplorable, was wrong, and the party regrets it. And on behalf of my party, let me tell you, all of us are ashamed of what happened, and that has to be condemned.
You know, but Mr. Jha, you have been a sports.
Please also
you have
ask
been
Mr.
a. You know what?
To apologize. Please ask Mr. Narendra Modi to apologize for the murder of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, because the RSS was responsible, according to Sardar Patel, for creating an environment that led to the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi. If you want to get to the bottom, you got to raise a lot of questions.
Mr.
It's not enough to just kind of
Mr. Jha, you have Mr. Jha.
But I'm just
Mr. Jha, you know something. You know one thing. Words are dangerous sometimes. Because if you use the wrong words, you can, one second, Mr. Jha, you can fall into a trap of your own creation. You use 3 words in your answer. Any, whatever, and the last was by the way. You thought, Mr. Jha, erroneously, that the use of these 3 words, one word, any, second, whatever, and third, by the way, would allow your answer to be taken in broad generalities, that tomorrow you can turn around and say that I never said the Congress party was open to the setting up of an SIT.
I'm on record.
You are on record that you're open to the setting up of an SIT.
By the way, I'm consistent.
You are open to the setting up of an SIT into the 1984 riots. There's no looking back now. The Congress party is open to the setting up of an SIT in the 1984 riots. 10 commissions formed since the riots. So many years later, no movement. Naresh Gujral, now should the SIT immediately be set up in your view, now that the Congress party is also supporting it? Mr. Gujral.
Arnab, all the secular people of this country,
yes,
and especially the Sikh community, owe you a deep debt of gratitude for digging the truth out. The way you nailed Mr. Gandhi and made him speak the truth. We've been maintaining that for the last 30 years that congressmen were involved. He finally accepted it. And I'm so glad you were persistent and you got the truth out. Now I have 3 points to make.
Congrats
my
to
party,
the man who doesn't hesitate from biting the bullet and speaking the truth, unlike a certain prime ministerial candidate of your coalition. Mr. Gujral, please get real here. Your prime ministerial candidate, who is the chief minister, when the ghastly pogrom of 2002 happened, doesn't even issue an apology. And you're criticizing Mr. Rahul Gandhi for making an admission of a fact that we all know. There are investigations on against Congress leaders. We are not denying it at all. Why should we deny that?
You're trying to give them tickets. What are you talking about? You're trying to get them to give them tickets.
Give him a correct factual answer.
Well, you're trying to give them tickets.
But please don't dodge your issues, Mr. Gujral. You are extremely contentious. We know who you are in bed with, and that's the BJP.
He will try very hard to divert.
Go ahead, Mr. Gujral.
He will try very hard to divert because they can't digest the truth. But please give me 2 minutes to speak. I did not interrupt him.
Continue.
I have 3 points to make. My party has consistently been asking for a Supreme Court monitored SIT. I raised it in the Rajya Sabha. Harsimrat Badal raised it in the Lok Sabha. We took an all-party delegation to the President of India. We've been demanding this for a long time, and I'm very happy that the Chief Minister of Delhi is supporting our cause.
Now,
number 2, if an SIT is set up under the Supreme Court supervision, it will ensure that the ongoing investigations against high-profile Congress leaders like Mr. Tytler are expedited, and those cases which were closed by the police can be reopened. But that is not the end. If the Chief Minister of Delhi really cares for the Sikhs and the victims, then tomorrow morning he should file a petition in the Supreme Court,
yes,
asking for a fast-track court to hear the ongoing cases against Sajjan
yes.
Kumar and other such people
Absolutely.
on a day-to-day basis.
Excellent idea. Both processes can continue together. No, I'm saying both processes can continue together. The political process of having an SIT and the legal process of filing a fresh petition. Excellent idea. Continue
And
with
my
your
last point,
sir. Yes.
And straight from the Supreme Court, he should drive to the Lieutenant Governor's house and tender his resignation, because he cannot accept support from a party where the leader has accepted that their party men were involved in the massacre of the Sikhs.
100%. That's political hypocrisy to the extreme, Mr. Fulka. You say you're voting for the setting up of an SIT. Your party exists on the support of another party which so far has carried out nothing but obfuscation. In the case of 1984, the Congress party vice president did not apologize for 1984. Now, should Arvind Kejriwal not say that I will not take the support of a party?
Can I answer that?
No, let me ask the Aam Aadmi Party. Why are you jumping for the Aam Aadmi Party? The Aam Aadmi Party can speak for itself. Mr. Fulka, should Arvind Kejriwal resign?
Since you mentioned about Mr.
No.
apology,
should Arvind Kejriwal resign on this issue? Otherwise, will his entire position be farcical?
Now, three things are enough. Number one, I am here in my capacity as an advocate. I am not speaking for the Aam Aadmi Party.
An advocate can have a view on what Naresh Gujral said.
Them, number one. Now, number two, let me tell Mr. Sanjay Jha that if the guilty of the 1984 had been punished, you wouldn't have seen the riots in Mumbai in 93, you wouldn't have seen it in Gujarat in 2002. And if today the guilty of 84 goes scot-free and tomorrow that of Gujarat goes scot-free, then be prepared, you will face it at another place. For God's sake, for the secure future of the country, please punish these who are guilty. Now, number three, what Mr. Gujral is saying, the fast track court for the pending cases, there are only 3 cases which are pending, and the High Court has already ordered day-to-day trial of Sajjan Kumar case. Now the new cases of the SIT which will reopen. Now the point of is expediting is of those cases. Now I am surprised that Mr. Naresh Gujral wants the SIT to be appointed, or he wants the resignation of the Arvind Kejriwal so that even the SIT remains here only. Now we should be happy with this, that at least somebody has taken up on an issue like this. If all of you cannot join together, this is a question of a highly human miseries. This is a question of the killing of the innocent citizens.
I am welcoming Mr. Kejriwal's step
on this.
No, you wanted to make a point. Okay, the hand goes up. Is the BJP representative once again in the debate? Hardeep Singh Puri, answer first what Sanjay Jha says. He keeps comparing Gujarat, right? He keeps comparing Gujarat, and I'm just going to read out today. There is a tweet sent out by Gulzar, which I'm just going to get in my hand. I'm going to read it out, which actually tells the feelings of people. By the way, Sanjay Jha, this whole thing you're trying to do, you know, you talk about 1984, we'll pull out Gujarat. I think, Mr. Sanjay Jha, with utmost respect for you, is a terrible thing to do. And you should, Mr. Sanjay Jha, your party should stop doing it. Because when you try to justify inaction in one case of riots with another riot, then you are playing some kind of banal political game. Mr. Jha, allow me to complete. Mr. Jha, allow me to complete. Mr. Jha,
Allow me to answer you.
Yes, I haven't completed my question. My question is that why did the Congress vice president, did he make a mistake by not apologizing? Right? Did he make a mistake by not apologizing?
Can I answer your question now?
Yes.
Very simple, Arnab. when you have the Congress Vice President acknowledging, and I heard the interview and I watched it twice over, he said repeatedly that what happened in 1984 in Delhi was extremely terrible, should never happen again. That, by the way, for somebody who was around 14 years of age, was devastated by the assassination of his own grandmother, and was an acknowledgement of the fact that
can we go beyond how Rahul Gandhi feels about it?
One minute.
Can we move the debate beyond?
Can you also not be cynical? Can you also not be cynical about the pain of a human being who's seen the loss of somebody from his family at very close quarters?
Well,
he also made a mention on your program, Arnab.
It's not a very convincing line of argument, I'm afraid. The fact of the matter is, if he feels that pain, then Mr. Jha, why were Jagdish Tytler and Sajjan Kumar accommodated in the party? Why has Jagdish Tytler not been thrown out? Why were they given tickets in 2009 despite their pending cases? It was only after the shoe-throwing incident you were forced to withdraw the tickets. Even today, why is Jagdish Tytler in charge of a state for the Congress party? Are you rewarding him for the cases in which he is being investigated?
Okay, let me answer your question.
Is that a reward or is it your compulsion?
Let me answer your question.
No, Mr. Jha, that question which I raised neutralizes your point on Gujarat. Hardeep Puri wanted to respond to you, Mr. Puri. Mr. Puri.
Now, 1 minute.
Mr. Puri.
1 minute, Arnab, you have not...
Mr. Puri.
Mr. Puri comes in.
Arnab, the comparison between 2000
of news
and
you can see that Arnab Goswami is not fair in giving an equal opportunity.
Sanjay Jha, you have just accused me. Sanjay Jha, since you have accused me, I repeat what you said before I go to the break. The Congress spokesperson has just accused me of not being fair to him, a charge which I deny because so far into the debate, the Congress spokesperson has taken more than 50% of the time. But when I come out of the break, we'll go to the BJP spokesperson and then come back to you. Back in 2 minutes, Hardeep Puri. Bear with me, just 2 minutes.